In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your local WordPress site to HostGator in a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, we'll begin by exporting your local WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. This might sound technical, but I assure you it's quite manageable. Open phpMyAdmin on your local machine and select the database associated with your WordPress site. Once selected, look for the export option, usually found in the top menu. You'll want to choose the quick export method in SQL format, which is the most common choice for backup and transfer purposes. Save the exported file somewhere convenient on your computer as you'll need it soon. Next, we need to compress your WordPress files into a zip folder. Navigate to the root folder of your WordPress site on your local server. This is typically called ditdocs in exampp or similar programs. Select all files and folders inside this directory, right-click, and choose the option to compress them into a zip file. This step ensures that all your site files are bundled together, making them easier to upload later. Now, let's access your HostGator cPanel. You'll need your login credentials for this. Once logged in, find the File Manager or use FTP if you're more comfortable with that. In File Manager, navigate to the directory where you want to upload your WordPress files, upload the zip folder you just created, and extract its contents. If using FTP, connect to your server and upload the zip file, then log into the File Manager to extract it. With your files uploaded, it's time to create a new database and a user in HostGator cPanel. In your cPanel, locate and open the MySQL Databases section. Here, you'll create a new database. Give it a relevant name so it's easy to remember. Once created, scroll down to add a new user. You'll need to set a secure password for this user. Afterward, add this user to your new database, ensuring to grant all privileges. This is crucial for your WordPress installation to function correctly. Next, import your database via phpMyAdmin on HostGator. Head back to cPanel, open phpMyAdmin, and select the new database you just created. Click on the Import tab and choose the SQL file you exported from your local site earlier. After selecting the file, hit the Go button to start the import process. Keep an eye out for any success message to confirm your database is imported correctly. At this stage, you'll have to edit your wp-config.php file with the new database details. This file is located in your WordPress directory on the server. Use cPanel's File Manager to edit it, updating the database name, username, and password with the new details from HostGator. This step ensures that WordPress knows where to look for the necessary database information. Finally, let's update the site URL in the database if necessary. If your local setup used a different domain or localhost, you might need to adjust these settings in your HostGator phpMyAdmin. Open your database, find the WP_options table, and update the cturl and home values to reflect your live domain. This step will guarantee that your site functions properly once it goes live. And there you go. With these steps, your WordPress site should now be successfully transferred to HostGator. Thank you for following along, and happy blogging.